Yeah? Is that right? Tell me. What you want to do today? Huh? What do you want to do today? Yeah? Right? What else do you want to do? What else do you want to do? Huh? You want to play with Hank today? Yeah? You want to play with Hank? You want to play with Capone too? Yeah? Yeah? Yes, you do. Yeah? Mama can get you some little swimmers. We can go to the pool. Yeah. Does that sound like fun? We need to find little swimmers. Walmart didn't have little swimmers. Where should we look? Okay, Mama will check there. Mama will check there. Does that sound exciting? You go swimming in the pool and go splish splash. Splish splash. You go splish splish splash splash. Splish splish.